Success is not something you chase. Success is something you attract by the person you become. Every great achievement in the world is first born in the mind, and every lasting victory begins with a habit formed in silence long before applause is heard. Clarity of aim is the foundation upon which all achievement is built. Without a definite purpose, the mind wanders like a ship without a rudder, tossed about by the waves of circumstance and indecision. Every individual who has ever attained remarkable success began with a clear understanding of what they wanted and a burning desire to achieve it. The mind cannot work toward a target it does not clearly see. When a goal is precise, the subconscious mind immediately begins to align thoughts, ideas, and actions in a manner that supports its attainment. A vague wish is no more effective than a dream without direction, for the human mind responds to definite orders, not to uncertainty. To gain clarity, one must spend time in deep reflection, asking oneself exactly what is desired in every area of life: financial, personal, professional, and spiritual. The clearer the mental image, the more real it becomes to the subconscious, and the more energy is released to transform it into reality. When you write down your objective, state it in specific, measurable terms, and read it aloud daily, it begins to take root in your consciousness. This repetition impresses the mind so powerfully that opportunities begin to appear almost magically. Clarity of aim eliminates distraction. For when the mind knows its purpose, it automatically discards thoughts and actions that do not contribute to the goal. It creates focus, and focus generates momentum. People with unclear aims often waste years drifting from one interest to another, accomplishing little and growing frustrated. Those who are clear on their aim, however, harness their energy, organize their plans, and direct every action toward their ultimate objective. Clarity also builds confidence because a person who knows what they want can plan with certainty and act decisively. Indecision and hesitation fade when the target is unmistakable. A clear aim allows the mind to visualize success in vivid detail, which strengthens determination and inspires creative solutions to obstacles. It is not enough to have a goal that is general or ambiguous. It must be precise enough to guide daily decisions and powerful enough to awaken a persistent desire that drives every effort. The habit of defining and refining your aim cultivates discipline, shapes character, and activates the law of attraction, drawing people, resources, and circumstances to support the pursuit of your objective. When a person develops this habit, every thought is aligned, every action is purposeful, and every opportunity is seen through the lens of achievement. The clearer the aim, the stronger the magnetic pull of success, for the mind begins to work tirelessly, consciously and subconsciously, to realize what has been clearly defined. Faith in yourself is the invisible power that transforms thoughts into reality and desire into achievement. Without faith, the mind is weak, uncertain, and easily influenced by doubt, fear, or the opinions of others. Faith is not a fleeting feeling or wishful thinking. It is a firm and unwavering belief in your own ability to achieve your definite purpose. Every great accomplishment in history has been preceded by a mind that believed without hesitation in its power to succeed. The human mind is like fertile soil, ready to produce whatever is planted in it. When faith is planted and nurtured, it grows into an unshakable certainty that attracts opportunities, people, and resources that support your goals. Doubt, however, is like poison, weakening the mind, causing hesitation, and inviting failure. The first step in developing faith in yourself is the practice of positive affirmation. By repeating a clear statement of purpose daily, with conviction and emotion, you impress the subconscious mind, which then begins to work tirelessly to make that statement a reality. Repetition alone, however, is not enough. Belief must accompany the words. When a person fully believes that they can succeed, every obstacle becomes a challenge to be overcome rather than a threat to fear. Faith eliminates hesitation, which is the root of failure, and replaces it with boldness, courage, and decisive action. Faith is reinforced by past successes, no matter how small. Each victory, every problem solved, every skill mastered builds confidence in your own power. It is through the consistent practice of applying your abilities that faith grows and strengthens. Surrounding yourself with positive influences and avoiding negativity further nurtures belief. The opinions of those who doubt or criticize are not reflections of your true potential, but echoes of fear and limitation. A person with faith in themselves is guided by vision rather than circumstance and is driven by conviction rather than external validation. Faith inspires persistence, for the mind that truly believes will not surrender to temporary setbacks, criticism, or failures. Every difficulty encountered becomes an opportunity to test and strengthen faith, turning adversity into a stepping stone toward achievement. Faith works silently yet powerfully, creating a mental magnet that draws opportunities, resources, and supportive alliances toward the person who believes in their own ability. It acts as a bridge between desire and its realization, a force that converts dreams into tangible results. Without faith, even the clearest aim, the most careful plans, and the greatest effort can falter, for doubt undermines every action and saps energy. With faith, the mind becomes a tool of immense power, capable of turning imagination into concrete accomplishment, transforming obstacles into advantages, and converting adversity into opportunity. Disciplined action is the bridge that connects desire and faith to tangible results. Without action, even the clearest aim and the strongest faith remain idle thoughts, powerless to influence the world. Success is not given to those who merely dream or plan. It comes to those who take consistent, purposeful steps toward their definite objective. Discipline is the ability to do what must be done even when you do not feel like doing it, to follow through on commitments, and to persist in the face of distractions, temptations, or difficulties. Every great achievement is the product of repeated, controlled effort and habitual self-mastery. The mind alone cannot create results. It must be matched with action that is organized, persistent, and directed. The first step toward disciplined action is creating a plan and following it daily, breaking large goals into smaller, achievable tasks that keep momentum alive. Many people fail not because they lack ability, but because they lack the habit of controlled and regular effort. Procrastination is the enemy of success, and it can only be overcome through discipline. The person who develops the habit of acting immediately on every opportunity trains the mind and body to respond to the call of success without delay. Discipline also demands focus, the ability to prioritize what is essential and to eliminate what is unnecessary. Every minute wasted on trivial matters is energy diverted from the pursuit of greatness. Successful individuals learn to manage time as a precious resource, applying effort where it produces the greatest result. Disciplined action also requires self-control, the power to resist short-term pleasure that contradicts long-term objectives. The mind of a person who has cultivated this habit learns to delay gratification, concentrate energy, and maintain steady progress toward the ultimate goal. It is the combination of persistent effort, clear purpose, and unwavering commitment that transforms ordinary men and women into extraordinary achievers. Action without discipline is chaos. Discipline without action is impotent. Together they create momentum, a force that builds upon itself, attracting opportunities, ideas, and alliances. The habit of disciplined action turns obstacles into challenges that can be met, problems into opportunities for learning, and criticism into motivation for improvement. It is also the key to building self-confidence, for repeated action strengthens the belief in one's own ability. It is and creates a track record of success that the mind remembers and relies upon. Daily routines, consistent effort, and controlled responses to circumstances are not signs of limitation. They are the instruments through which greatness is achieved. Discipline makes effort automatic, reducing reliance on willpower alone and allowing the mind to focus on innovation, strategy, and creative problem-solving. Every action performed in alignment with purpose reinforces the magnetic power of the mind, attracting resources, people, and opportunities that might otherwise remain out of reach. Persistence is the force that turns intention into accomplishment and desire into reality. Many people possess talent, knowledge, and even opportunity, yet they fail because they lack the habit of persistence. The difference between those who succeed and those who do not is often not intelligence or skill, but the ability to continue when others give up. Persistence is a learned habit developed through repeated effort and a refusal to surrender to temporary defeat or discouragement. It is the habit of continuing to act, to plan, and to believe, even when circumstances seem adverse and progress is slow. Every obstacle encountered on the path to achievement is an opportunity to strengthen this habit, for adversity tests the resolve and separates those who are truly committed from those who are merely wishful thinkers. A person who develops persistence does not rely solely on luck or inspiration. They rely on a determined will, disciplined action, and unwavering faith in the ultimate outcome. Each setback, each failure, each criticism becomes fuel for persistence rather than a reason for surrender. Persistence requires a clear understanding of the ultimate goal, for without a definite purpose, effort can be wasted or misdirected. The mind that is fixed on a definite objective, guided by clarity of aim and strengthened by faith, naturally cultivates the habit of persistence, refusing to be diverted by temporary defeat. Many of history's greatest achievements were preceded by repeated failure, yet those who persisted discovered that the obstacles themselves contained the seeds of opportunity. Persistence is not blind stubbornness, it is intelligent perseverance, a steady, focused effort that adapts and improves with experience. It involves learning from mistakes, adjusting strategies, and continuing toward the goal with renewed determination. The habit of persistence is reinforced by surrounding oneself with positive influences, seeking encouragement from those who believe in progress, and avoiding the discouragement of negative or doubtful people. It requires self-discipline to continue acting when motivation wanes, when enthusiasm fades, and when the path appears unclear. Persistence builds character, strengthens confidence, and creates momentum for each step taken toward a goal, no matter how small, moves the individual closer to ultimate success. The mind trained in persistence begins to see opportunity where others see obstacles, solutions where others see problems, and lessons where others see failure. It becomes a magnetic force, drawing circumstances, ideas, and resources that support achievement. Without persistence, plans and dreams remain unrealized. With it, even the most difficult objectives become attainable. Persistence is the habit that ensures that temporary defeat does not become permanent failure, that hesitation does not become surrender, and that doubt does not become limitation. It is the invisible power that sustains effort, energizes ambition, and transforms ordinary effort into extraordinary accomplishment. Value creation and service are the ultimate magnets for lasting success. Those who focus solely on personal gain often find that wealth, recognition, and influence slip away or fail to bring fulfillment, but those who dedicate themselves to providing genuine value to others attract opportunities and rewards beyond measure. The principle is simple. The more you contribute to the lives of others, the more your own life is enriched. Service is not limited to grand gestures. It begins with small acts of usefulness, integrity, and support, performed consistently with sincerity and excellence. Every person has talents, skills, and knowledge that can be applied in ways that benefit others, and when these abilities are directed toward meeting real needs, they create a magnetic force that draws success. The mind of a person focused on service begins to think creatively, seeking solutions and opportunities where others see limitation. Value creation requires awareness, the ability to recognize where assistance, guidance, or innovation is needed, and the courage to act decisively to provide it. This habit builds trust, strengthens relationships, and establishes a reputation that attracts collaborators, mentors, and supporters. Service also cultivates a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity, for the individual learns that the more they give, the more returns flow in unexpected and multiplied ways. Those who create value understand that every interaction is an opportunity to leave a positive impact, and that consistent contribution establishes a pattern of reciprocity in both personal and professional life. The habit of service is reinforced by empathy, the ability to understand and anticipate the needs of others, and by integrity, the commitment to deliver what is promised with excellence. Individuals who focus on creating value do not compete for recognition or accolades. They focus on improving the situation, solving problems, and enriching the lives around them. Success follows naturally, as the law of cause and effect ensures that meaningful contribution produces rewards. Every challenge faced by a person who practices service becomes a chance to demonstrate skill, resolve, and commitment, which in turn enhances credibility and influence. Creating value is also a mindset, a deliberate choice to prioritize impact over ego, contribution over convenience, and excellence over mediocrity. It transforms ordinary effort into extraordinary results because it aligns personal ambition with the needs and desires of the world. Those who develop the habit of serving others consistently become magnets for opportunity, attracting clients, partners, and resources that support growth and achievement. The habit ensures that every action taken is meaningful, that every decision contributes to the greater good, and that every effort reinforces the individual's purpose. When value creation and service become habitual, they generate a compounding effect. The more you give, the more your own capabilities, opportunities, and influence expand. This principle not only attracts material success, but also builds respect, loyalty, and lasting relationships, creating a foundation for achievement that endures across time and circumstance.